I share you a quickest trick on how to solve ratio. This is the example. I have here two example. Two numbers are in the ratio 3:7. If the difference is 28, what are the two numbers? So, atong unahon ang difference sa smaller ratio. 7 minus 3 equals 4. So, next step is 28 divided by the difference 4. Okay, 28 divided by the difference 4 equals 7. Okay, 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. Then 7 multiplied by 7 equals 49. Okay, these are the two numbers. Okay, if we check 49 minus 21. Okay, 8, 2. Okay, so naigo ang 28 nga difference. So the two numbers nga gipangita is 21 and 49. Okay, the second example is two numbers are in the ratio 2:9. If the difference is 42, what is the smaller of the two numbers? Okay, so just like number 1, so the difference is 42. 42 divided by the difference of 9 and 2 is 7 equals 6. So nga itong ipangita smaller, the smaller of the two numbers is 2. So 6 times 2 equals 12. So the answer is 12. Okay, let us check. Okay, let us check if the difference is 42. Okay, so 6 times 2 equals 12. Then 6 times 9 equals 54. If we subtract 4 minus 2 equals 2. Then 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay, tanawa ang difference 42 and the difference nga tong nasa problem is 42. So the question is, what is a smaller number? So the answer is 12. If the question is, what is the bigger number? So 6 times 9, the answer is 54. Okay? Thank you.